Hello everybody, today is the big day. I have everyone's names all cut out. I'm going to fold them nicely and then I'm going to pick the winner, the grand prize winner pretty soon. Hold on. Elizabeth 2009, you are the winner. Email me down below. I'll list my giveaway email address, and you give me your phone number. Give me your your address, your mailing address, and the camera was going back and forth. I don't want to make anybody sick when I'm trying to give you a gift package, so I can send you your package, which is already assembled. I just need to add the extras. Everything is in there. Even my last packaged glue, my favorite glue. But don't cry for me. I have a lot of these glues. They just didn't keep them in a nice package. But everything is packaged, ready to go. I just got stuff extras in there. And then also I like to give Mimi with love a little something, because she was my 1,000th subscriber, and I promised her a long time ago if I ever had a giveaway, I'll give her something to see. I didn't forget. So, and if you didn't win anything this time, stay tuned because there's more giveaways to come. Thank you so very much for watching. And Elizabeth, contact me by hopefully contact me by Monday. And if I don't hear from you by Monday, I'm going to have to pick somebody else. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.